Today I'm preparing a very easy recipe, that is pancakes, which requires only three ingredients, that is banana, rolled oats and 1 spoon of cinnamon powder. Whenever I have a really ripe banana, all I can think of is preparing pancakes or cakes. As you can see, the bananas have gone really ripe. That means they're very sweet. You don't need to add any artificial sugar. And strawberries and peanut butter are totally optional. If you want variety, color, you can add it. But all you need is three ingredients, that is oats, banana and cinnamon powder. I've taken a bowl and put all the bananas and smashing it. Once banana smashed, add cinnamon powder and grind your oats to a powdery texture. Add it and mix it really well. Once the batter is ready, let it sit for 5 minutes and soak all the ingredients properly. Once it's mixed, you can see the consistency. I like it thick this way. You can add little water and make it thinner, like fine, like dosa batter. Take a pan and grease it with little coconut oil or any oil of your choice. Oil is actually not necessary. If you have a good kadai or a very nice non-stick pan, you don't need oil at all. Mine is a little old and used one, so that's the reason I'm using oil. Once kadai is heated, you can pour the batter in the shape of your choice. You can make a smaller circular shape, or you can make a big dosa type pancake. It's entirely your choice, and make it the way you like it. Once it's fried properly, you can see it's little dry. So once you feel it is dry, you can change the side and fry it on both sides for 2 minutes each, and easy tasty pancakes are ready. A very good breakfast choice, easy to make. It takes hardly 5 minutes to get all the ingredients right, and another 10 minutes to get all the pancakes on the plate. So very easy, tasty, gluten free, egg free pancakes, and it is really good snack option for kids.